when I'm working with people, there's something that I call the click, right? You'll be working in someone's space and then something clicks and the energy just shifts and it opens up and it flows. And it's magical to go from a space that's chaotic and disorganized into a place of flow is just this like, this delicious vibe. And I feel it for clients. And then I watch them just like get all shiny and happy and excited as we finish organizing their spaces, because the click happens maybe 2/3 of the way in. So it's really cool watching them step into their own space and really own it. Now I am organized for the most part. Like everything in my world is organized, or it can be really quickly if it's in a state of chaos because of something happening in my life. So I don't often get to feel the click in my own life. Like that's kind of a thing, like I watch it with my clients, but I feel the click right now. So I am transitioning in my life. So I've made this decision to like travel a bit before I settle down next. And I'm just like wanting to make myself as lightweight as possible. And so I've gotten rid of almost everything that I own. And instead, I'm just kind of like keeping things portable. And it used to be like a huge frustration for me when I would leave and go, like stay with my boyfriend in another city or go on vacation. I'd have this sense of like heaviness and dread when I would have to go like pack my toiletries. I was like it just made me so annoyed, like to have to go and take everything out of my medicine cabinet and then put it all into this like little travel bag that I had that like had no form or function in it, and it would just like I'd live out of this bag and then I'd come home and I'd have to like unpack it. And I travel so much that I feel like I'm always packing and unpacking my toiletries bag. And so when I made the decision that I was going to be on the road more and just kind of commit to that for a period of time, I was like, I really need to get the right gear for traveling. So I did. So I went and got this toiletries kit, this like hanging, it's very simple. There's nothing super special about it. It's like a travel toiletries bag. That's like pretty simple. Everything is just right there available. But I swear to God, I feel so powerful. Like I never have to pack or unpack. Everything is in there. When I go from a hotel to a house to this to that, it takes no time to prepare. I don't have to think about what I'm bringing. I don't have to do anything. I feel like Wonder Woman. And I know that this is ridiculous, but I finally really get how my clients feel because I watch them feel this way. Like I watch their mood lift and I watch them feel so excited. And now I'm feeling, I feel that every time I leave. I'm like, look at how simple it is for me to like pack up my toiletries. Zip and I'm gone. It's the best thing ever. So I don't know. I just felt like I wanted to share that because I don't often get to share when I feel the click. But the click is like magical, and it's like the reason why people want to get organized. I don't know that they know that they're going to have that experience, but having things positioned in a way that serves you and really empowers you is the whole reason for being organized, right? It's like to make the rest of your life easier and better. And it's so worth it. So I'm curious, do you have anything a system that works for you that makes you feel as empowered as my toiletry bag makes me feel? I would love to hear about it. So share in the comments below if you do. Have a beautiful day, and thank you for letting me share my organizing nerdery with you. Bye.